Well, you've been making videos for quite some time, and probably you are making videos at a frequency where you're probably uploading a video every day as well, and still you hardly see any views. Or you are uploading videos which you think um would attract a lot of attention, but at the same point of time, you're not receiving any views. Well, hey guys, this is Asupanda here at Asupanda Media back again. I hope you guys are doing well. What are we talking about today? Well, what I'm talking about today is the lack of engagement that you might see on your videos on YouTube, right? Well, I've said this before and I'll say this again. YouTube is it is uh, one of the biggest search engines out there, right? And uh, what you might notice is that the videos that you might be making that you think that people would like to watch, and let me put it as bluntly as I can, people just probably do not want to see those videos. That does not mean that what videos you're making are uh, not making any sense whatsoever, or probably those topics that you're probably speaking about do not make sense. Not so. But that is something probably people are not looking for to hear from you. Or they are already subscribed to somebody else, because please do realize that it depends upon the niche that you choose, how much competition you face from other people, right? Like I'm talking about these topics on my channel, I'm sure there are content creators which are far, far, far bigger than me, which with much, much, much more experience and probably give you better quality videos on the same topic with, you know, better flow of information, or probably you just like the way they put things across versus how I probably would put things across. And that is probably the reason why your video might not be grabbing any attention. So what can you do about this? Well, fun that you can do about this is research. What do people want to watch on your niche, right? And how many people are probably already making content. So there is no harm in basically looking around and listening to other people and watching their content, so that you can understand, oh, okay, if probably I talk about this, which, see, a lot many times when you see short form videos, they tend to follow trends, right? So if something becomes trending, everybody makes the video on that and they get views on that. That is something that might not happen in long form videos, because long form videos, people would only want to sit through it if they think that that video adds value, right? And that's probably the reason why you are not receiving that kind of engagement that you're probably looking for. In the end, all that I can say is that YouTube long form videos is the long game, right? So please do not be disheartened. And there is a ton of advice out there, but the one thing that I would like to say is that don't just give up right now. You never know, right? So keep looking at your own content, keep looking at other content, keep researching, please keep making videos. And I'm sure that if you put in the hours, and yes, your content is half as good as a lot of other content that is out there, you would probably receive that attention as well. Well, that's all I wanted to speak to you about. Please do mention in comment section what are the struggles that you face on YouTube, and probably we can talk about those as well. In the end, all I can say is please do like, share, comment, follow this video, follow this channel, and help our channel, small little channel, grow as well. Because yes, even we want success on YouTube, and probably one fine day we'll get monetized and we'll be very happy. Anyways, so in the end, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Take care of yourself. Oshikimti. Tawa.